Today is December 19th, 2009. It's the great snowstorm of 2009. Max is 2 years old.
Isn't today the 20th?
Oh, today the 20th? Sorry, yeah, maybe you're right. Today's December 20th. Hey, Max, you like the snow?
Max, look at mommy.
Hey, Maxie.
Max, look at mommy.
Can you throw a snowball to mommy? He's too enthralled.
Well, Dad can throw one at mommy. That's for sure.
No. Come on. All right, mommy's gonna try to do the impossible, which is shoveling the steps. Dad's gonna take some images, right?
This is my new video entitled "Californians Trying to Shovel Snow."
Dumping it on the neighbors.
And what kind of husband would let his 4.5 months pregnant?
I'm 5 months pregnant.
5 months pregnant wife shovel snow?
What kind of husband doesn't know how many months she is?
Oh look, there's my hat.
I can do this. This is a great exercise. We were totally snowed in under 2 feet of snow. You watching our son?
He lost the mitten already. All right.
Oh no. Max!